Hello everyone. My name is Alex, and in this video, I will show you how to edit your ATS-friendly resume in Google Docs. This is the list of steps that we will cover in this guide. Open the file called Guides and Templates. Open Me. You will find there a PDF. Double-click to open it. The templates are in two sizes, A4 and US letter size. Select the one you want to edit and click on it. It will open in your browser. Once your Google Docs template will open, you need to create a copy of it. Click on File and select Make a Copy. Give your file a name and choose the location to save it. I've picked my drive. Once you're done, click Make a Copy and close the original template to avoid the confusion. So now your resume is ready for editing. Before we go any further, please take a look at the list of shortcuts that I have prepared for you. You can stop the video and write them down, or you can also download it down in the box description in case you want to print it. Well, with that said, we can jump straight to editing your resume. Click and drag over the text that you want to select. If you want to remove this part, you can press backspace or delete key on your keyboard. The style of removed text will remain. Put your info here. Currently, you cannot adjust spacing between letters in Google Docs. For this reason, we use space key to make titles of paragraph look nicer. Type your info and press space between every letter. Just like so. Some options are still not available in Google Docs, so we need to find an easy solution. In this particular template, all of the paragraph titles are done the same way. If you want to change font in your document, select the part of text you want to apply new font to and choose font from the list. Alternatively, you can click More Fonts and add the new one. Since it's ATS resume, you shouldn't choose anything fancy. Best will be to stick to some standard font. You can see the list on the right side of your screen. Let's say you have your old resume and you want to copy professional profile from there. Select the text in correct style and press Ctrl-Alt-C to copy it. Next, we should remove existing professional profile paragraph. Then let's go to the document we want to copy text from. Select what we want to copy and press Command+C. Then we need to go back to our template and paste the text by pressing Command+V. The style from old resume was copied too. Let's apply new style to it by pressing Ctrl-Alt-V. It looks good now. Great, we can jump to the next step. Best format to send your ATS resume is PDF. Word documents get formatted differently depending on the Word version a company is running. So it can be a problem once your resume will pass ATS and go to recruiters. However, some old ATS still cannot read PDFs correctly. If that will be the case, you will probably need to send your resume as Microsoft Word document docs. To save your resume as docs, go to File, Download, and then choose Word from the list. The file will automatically download to your computer. To save your file as PDF, again go to File, Download, and choose PDF. Great, this is our resume saved as PDF. I think it looks nice. Before you will apply, you can check if layout is fine and you have matching keywords. For this purpose, I would recommend to use JobScan. You can have 2 weeks free trial and cancel it anytime before it ends. So check it out if you are interested. I will put the link below. Once you are on jobscan.co and already have your account, go to Dashboard and click Scan. Upload your resume. Then paste job description next to it. I have already done it, so we'll now just need to click Scan. My resume is only for demonstrating purpose, so I won't get any points for keywords. And there we go. All things that are wrong or missing will be listed here. You should aim to have 80+ score, and then start applying. As you can see, the formatting is perfect. The only red point is about paragraph length. So keep your resume short and clear, and it should be fine. You may be asked to send, for example, your resume and cover letter. If that will be the case, you will need to merge PDFs into one PDF. To do so, go to pdfjoiner.com. Click Upload Files. Now select Files for merging. I will link PDF Joiner down in the description box. Put files in the correct order. That's the order they will be merged. Click Join Files and allow your computer to download things from this website. Once your merged PDF will be ready, it should automatically save in Downloads file. Okay, we just went through last step. I really hope it was super easy, and you enjoyed the whole process. In case you have any questions, send us the message, and we will try to fix it as quick as possible. Thank you, bye-bye.